Hello everyone, this is speaking one assignment. For our second project, the topic we chose is ordering a meal. We're going to take you into two different scenarios, at a bakery and a fast food restaurant. We will teach you how to use different phrases that we can use to order food.
Hello, what can I get for you today?
I like a green matcha, please.
Would you like that with regular ice and regular sugar?
Regular sugar and ice will be fine.
Is there anything else?
Could I have a cinnamon bun?
Sure, that will be $7.74. $226 is your change. Here you go. Have a good day.
Thank you. Alright, what would you like?
I'll have the soy nacho burger.
Is for here or to go, sir?
To go, please. Could I get the combo?
With fries and a soft drink?
Yep, that's everything.
It's $7.99, sir. One set is your change, and here you go, sir.
Thank you. There are some phrases that you can use to order food in English. First, you could say I would like to order or I'd like to order. Is the short form of it. Place the name of your order. You also could say I'll have or I'll have. Place the name of your order. Next one is you could say could I have. Place the name of your order. And the last one is you could say could I get. Place the name of your order. Did you catch these phrases in the dialogues? Well, we hope you learned something new today.